Hey friends, what is up? It's your girl Whitney B, and I'm back with another flawless hair tutorial. So this is going to be a quick and easy style. I did some pin curls last night, so I'm just showing you guys how I take this down and style it. I will be adding a few curls to the front just to kind of frame my face, but we just gonna get into this video. I'm not gonna chat too much. If you guys have any questions, of course, leave them down below. And also, this is my raw human hair extensions. If you have not yet checked out the website, I will leave the link below as well. So let's just get into this styling tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, friends, we are done with this look. Y'all see it? Oh my God, it turned out so cute. And the best thing about my raw hair extensions is they give that nice full look. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I absolutely hate a thin wig. I like my hair to be full and natural looking, and that's what the raw human hair extensions gives every time, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, comments, leave them down below. If you guys want me to try some new looks, some new styles, definitely give me some of y'all advice down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye friends.